my angel, welcome back to a new video. If you are new, my name is Aisha Marie, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for clicking on today's video. You both mean the world to me. As you can tell by the title, I'm going to be sharing how I lighten my bikini area. I'm going to be showing you all some products and my routine that I do to prevent ingrown hairs, lighten my bikini area, and just the overall glow of this area, honey. It is the summertime. Listen, we want to be wearing bathing suits. We want to feel comfortable wearing shorts. I got you, girl. I got you.
Okay, ladies, so we are going to start with our monthly maintenance. Now, in this monthly maintenance, we are going to be using wax instead of shaving. So shaving is definitely a no, especially if you don't want to have ingrown hairs and hyperpigmentation. I'm only showing you what works for me. So if shaving works for you, by all means, skip this step. The wax kit that I'm deciding to use is from Tress Wellness, and I purchased this from Amazon. And in this kit, it comes with hard wax beads along with a pre-wax and an after wax, and also wooden sticks that we're going to use to apply the wax onto any area. So what I'm showing you now is what you do not want your wax to look like. You see how runny and drippy the consistency of the hard wax is? That is a huge no, because that means it is way too hot and you do not want to burn and potentially scar any area on your body. We're trying to lighten, honey. We are not trying to bruise or scab. What I really love about this wax warmer is that I'm in control of the temperature and how quick it adjusts to any setting that you put it to. Now I'm just pouring in the lemon hard wax, and for some reason my mind just correlates lemon to brightening, lightening, and replenishing and restoring pigment back into your skin. While we wait for the wax to melt, we are now going to move on to applying this pre-wax to any surface area. I love this pre-wax because this just removes all of the extra sweat, all of the lint, the debris, the deodorant that is left. Yes, you can take a shower, but this just removes any of those little pieces that you did not get, and it does not sting. So now I'm just showing you this numbing spray that I use from Gigi, and I really love this. I spray it onto my designated area and I wait about 3 minutes to let it dry. This spray is not only going to numb the skin, it also takes the stinging out of waxing while also soothing the skin. All right, our wax is now ready, so we're just going to twirl this wood stick into the opposite direction and apply it gently onto our skin. And you see that curve that I'm doing? This is going to create a little tab. That way we can have something to grip and rip the wax off of our skin. Now you want to make sure that the wax is distributed evenly, but also still thick enough. You don't want it to be too thin. That way you don't have to peel, and it also won't crack or rip on you when you're trying to rip it off. Your flap should look something similar to this, not identical, but something just similar. Now we're just gonna allow this to harden. You don't wanna wait too long, but woo, that first rip is now over, girl. But then you realize you have 1,000 more strips to go. But it does get easier with time. I will tell you that breathe in, breathe out technique is going to kind of trick your mind and then relieve the pain a little bit. Also, you want to gently place your hand over any area that you're ripping off of. That way the sting stings a little bit less. Now we're going in with this after wax. This is a very oily consistency to help us remove any leftover wax that we did not get up. So once I'm done waxing, I either like to go in with aloe vera gel or coconut oil. The benefits of using aloe vera gel is that it's so soothing on a fresh wax bikini. The aloe vera gel also acts as an ointment to any pore that is now bleeding because of the follicle being ripped from the root. So don't be alarmed if you do see spot bleeding. This just means that you actually grab the hairs from the root. I also enjoy using coconut oil right after a fresh wax because for me it's like a 4-in-1. It smells good, it's gonna help you look good, it feels good, and it's gonna taste good. So if I could just have all of those in one product, my go-to would be using coconut oil down there. It's quick, it's easy, and I'm done. In between your wax sessions, it is very important to have an exfoliating routine. I personally like to exfoliate every 2 to 3 days. This way I'm not damaging any skin barriers, causing more harm than good. With exfoliating, we are getting rid of all of that hyperpigmentation, all of the dark skin. This is going to allow a new skin barrier to form while also getting rid of those stubborn ingrown hairs. As you can see, I'm going in an up and downwards motion with exfoliating. This way I don't cause any ingrown hairs. That is very important. Now, as for scrubs, I love this Tahitian vanilla bean scrub from Tree Hut. Ooh, y'all, this smells so delicious and edible. I wish I could just lick this off of my lips. Like, comment down below if Tree Hut already has this in a lip gloss formula, because I know if they did, this would taste like a Starbucks vanilla bean frappuccino. That would just be so amazing. But as you all can see, I'm just still doing the same up and down motions with this scrub exfoliator. Once you rinse the scrub off and you're out of the shower, you just want to gently pat your bikini area dry. These next steps can be applied immediately after your hair removal. So this product is the Vanish PFB and Chromabright. Now this is a cool blue roll-on and it's targeted for men and women. This is going to help brighten your bikini area while also preventing ingrown hairs, and you can also use this whether you are using a razor or you're waxing. This product acts as if it's a chemical peel but for your bikini. Don't be alarmed, it does not itch or burn, but as you use it, you'll start to see that your dead skin is starting to peel. You'll start to notice that you're having less of ingrown hairs, causing your bikini area to lighten. Thin Skin is also an amazing product that I use in between my wax sessions. Now this is not a chemical, so it's not going to peel, but it still is going to help with the ingrown hairs and any bumps you get from after waxing or just using your razor. If this has been beneficial to you so far, please consider subscribing. I would love to share new tips and tricks that work out for me with you weekly. I just pat this area nice and gently and allow that to dry before I put on any undergarments. Now I do love pairing the coconut oil with the Thin Skin, not necessarily with the PFB, because once again this is like a chemical peel, so I want it to flake up. I wanted to get rid of that dead skin and exfoliate, so I don't moisture when I use the PFB, but I do moisturize right after I let the Thin Skin dry down. Moisturizing is not only important for the overall glow of your skin, but it also helps for when the hair follicle starts to grow back, it does not curve back into the skin, causing the ingrown hair to form. Now sometimes I do go in with a little bit more help, and I use these tools that I got from Amazon to help get those stubborn hairs out, along with some tweezers. This particular tool right here is my favorite because it allows me to get in that ingrown hair and get directly to the hair and pull it out with some tweezers. I always clean my tools off before and after I use them, just to make sure, because you know you don't want to do more harm than good. So here I'm trying my best to demo out how I get in to get that hair follicle out of there, and sometimes I do use the other side just to push anything out of my blackheads. This can be a number of things, but this tool really helps me to get any blackheads and also ingrown hairs. Be sure to check the description box out down below. I will try to link everything, but these two are my favorite products I would recommend to you. To see change, you need to be consistent, and I promise you'll see a difference in the color of your discoloration and the overall ingrown hairs becoming less and less. Stay consistent.
So was that helpful? Comment down below if that was helpful, or if you were able to take away any tips and tricks. Also comment down in the comment section below what has helped you, like your bikini area or just like your underarms. Listen, we are all human. We all get ingrown hairs. We all have a little hyperpigmentation. It's normal. It's okay. Don't be embarrassed. If you can do some things to improve and enhance the area, honey, by all means, go for it, do it. Don't let nobody try to stop you, okay? But at the same time, don't be ashamed. Own your body, because you live in it, okay? You only got one life. You better make it worthwhile. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope this was helpful, and I love being able to help anybody. I don't even care if it's one person. As long as I'm able to help share some things. Hopefully this was informative once again. If you haven't done so already, be sure to hit that like button and also subscribe so you can watch me more. Let's just be real, so you can watch me more. Enjoy your week, and I'll see you soon. Bye.